Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this i4 Police Sedan from Matchbox 2023 i4 Police Sedan, which is pretty sick. A little Interceptor, no back headlight tampos, which kind of sucks, but still a sick model. To open, it's a new Boulevard, if you want to see that. Here's the back. Yes, crack it open. I think it's just open like from like the bottom. There's like a little nivet. I've always seen this. I don't know what it is. You can't really open it from there. I usually just tear it from the corner and just like open it from like that. God, seems like stubborn. Broke the plastic still. I don't like when this happens because after a bunch of stubble goes on the car. So, oh wow. Oh my God, it's actually really nice. I like this car a lot. Very, very nice. Yeah, let's take a look at this. So I really love the silver they chose for us. The overall feel for the car is really nice. A little bit Polizeier livery. The headlights look really nice. The grill, all that. The rims are pretty nice also. Love that decal. The back, sadly, no tampos. There are some on the side, which is not bad. That's what they do for police cars. Got this little headlights bar on top. Really nice. The blue and all that. Really do like the feel of this car just in general. I think it looks very nice. It's just nice to look at too. It's a very nice new model. You got the little road here, all the other Matchbox and stuff. Another police car right here. I guess we'll add that to the road. Yeah, pretty sick. Got RX-7 here. Yeah, guys, nothing else to say about this car other than that it's a really nice casting for 2025. It's a pretty nice one for this year. I feel like it's a pretty good one. But yeah, guys, anyways, I'll see you guys later. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.